Sino ba ang pwedeng mag-invest in the stock market? Anyone who wants to grow their money through an existing business without business knowledge. Kahit nandito ka lang sa Pilipinas or even abroad, you can start buying shares of stocks in the Philippines' largest corporations katulad na lang nila Jollibee, Ayala, SM, BDO, and many other companies. As a shareholder, you earn through price appreciation or as the company grows, tumataas din or lumalaki din ang value ng investment mo. You also earn through dividend or ang hati mo sa profits na kinikita ng company. And hindi ka required to be in the daily operations ng negosyo. The best part is you can start investing in the Philippines' largest corporations for only
Wow!
1,000 pesos. Kapatid,